guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making delicious white creamy enchiladas that I love to make in my regular oven, but today I wanted to show you how you can make it in the Ninja Foodi XL oven. You guys, I use the broth feature at the end to crisp up the cheese, and it looks perfect. They smell amazing, they taste amazing. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this. You can make it in your regular oven. It does not have to be in your XL oven. So I'm just letting you guys know that. I'm using the casserole dish that Ninja makes specifically for this oven, just because none of my casserole dishes fit in this oven. So I found the perfect size accessory on their site. I'll have the link for it below. But we're going to go ahead and get started. It's super easy. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more videos on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But let's get started. So what we're going to need today is 2 cups of shredded chicken. You could use a rotisserie chicken from the store, or you could shred your own chicken. I'm just using about 2 cups. Also 10 super soft tortillas. These are flour tortillas. You can use flour tortillas. I just prefer the super soft. Also a 4-ounce can of diced green chilies. And this is the mild can. Also, 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, also 1 cup of sour cream, and 2 cups of chicken broth. Alright, so we're at the stove. What you're going to want to do is place your stove on medium heat. And what I have here is my Ninja pan. You might notice that I have a review coming. I just want to make sure I spend a lot of time with it before I can make that review for you guys. So we'll have that soon. But once your pan is heated up, you're going to want to start melting your butter. So I have a whisk, and you're going to melt all of your butter. You can cut it up. I just threw the whole stick in there for who knows. So you're going to want to melt the butter. Once the butter is melted, we can add our flour. Once your butter is melted, you're going to want to add the flour and whisk it in. You're going to whisk it in and allow it to thicken for about a minute. And once you see that it's thickening, then you can add your 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to whisk that in as well to smooth it out. So you're going to want to give the chicken broth a stir. I allow it to sit for about a minute, and then I add in the sour cream. So let me get a spatula here to add that in. Add it slowly, otherwise you have it splash you. Once you have added the sour cream, you're going to want to go ahead and whisk that in until it's smooth. Give it 1 minute so it can thicken, and then take it off of the heat. So that's what we're going to do. So it's been sitting a minute. I shut off the heat, and I'm going to go ahead and move it over. And let's go ahead and start prepping. Alright, so let me tell you. I have this perfect fit casserole dish that I ordered off of Ninja's accessory site for the Oven XL. You guys, it fits perfect. It's so great. It's porcelain, and I love it. It's great to clean. And all I do is I first spray it with a non-stick spray. You can butter it up as well. Just depends on preference. And I'm going to go ahead and open these tortillas here. And I'll show you what I do. So I like to add half of the cheese to the chicken. It's just what I do. I do half of the cheese. And I mix, so that we have some cheese inside of the actual enchilada. And I just add some of the chicken and cheese mixture. You can add a little bit more. Oh. Alright, I'll put that on the side. So I add that, I roll it, and I place it in. That's all I do, is I repeat the process until I have filled all of them. That's what we're going to do here. And you can go lighter, you can go more, you can, whichever you prefer. And there you go. So I'm going to repeat this and fill all of them, and we'll be back. Now we have all of our rolled enchiladas ready to go. Now what I have here is the remaining cheese. Also, I have the chilies and our sauce. So you're going to want to go ahead and pour the sauce over the enchiladas evenly. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and place that pan over there. And I just spread it around here. Okay. And, oh, this is the part where you add the chilies. Now, you guys, my kids don't like the chilies, so I only add it for my husband here. And you can add as much as you want. Place it on top here. Then you add the remaining cheese on top. So we're going to go ahead and turn on our Oven XL. We're going to select the function of bake at 350 degrees. Oh. And we're going to do 20 minutes. And it says level 3, but because the casserole dish is so high, I place it on the second. So we'll be back once it's preheated. Alright, so the oven is preheated. We're going to go ahead and add our casserole dish. And we'll be back in 20 minutes. Alright, so as you can see, we have the cheese browned just on the outside. We want to brown it on the inside here. So we're going to go ahead and change the function to broil. Just for a couple minutes to broil the cheese on top, and we'll be back. Okay, so I left it in for 3 minutes on broil, and you can tell it is nice and broiled on there. I'm going to go ahead and bring it out. It looks a little burnt, but it's not, you guys, I promise. I'm going to go ahead and bring it out so you guys can see. And there we have it. We have our white creamy enchiladas made right in our Ninja Foodi Oven XL. You guys, this can be made in any oven. It does not have to be the Ninja Foodi XL oven. I'm just showing you a use with the casserole dish. I love it just because it's a lot simpler than heating up the entire house, and it's easier for me to just place it in the Ninja Foodi XL oven. So that's what we did here today. You guys, it is really hot, so I'm gonna allow it to cool before we dig in. But you guys, this is a quick, easy, delicious meal for the entire family to enjoy. But until next time, have a great night.